Okay, guys, how are you doing today? Polo Media here. It's been quite a while since I posted on my YouTube channel. That's because I have been trying out a lot of things on how to make money on the internet, genuine money, not audio money, genuine money on the internet, and then come and show you, like I've always done, things that work for me, things I have earned from, how much I have earned, and how you too can earn. And so today, I just want to show you what I've been up to. I've been working for brands on impact, and I believe very well that you'll be very much interested in earning money for yourself on impact. If you are interested, I just want to show you my account, not really showing you what to do or training you. I already have a training I have put up already for you. If you are interested, just chat me up in the phone number in the video description, and then if you're interested, you can get the video training from there. Okay, now this is one account, and I have $217 pending, waiting to be paid. My next payment is coming up. You can see the date, and uh, a portion of it to be paid on this date, and then it continues like that. My today's payment has not reflected the money I've made today because I've seen some people sign up through my link, and I'm waiting for my today's payment to reflect. This is what I have earned so far on this account. Okay, so you want something like this? This is genuine money. I'm going to show you the ones I have withdrawn and the ones that I'm showing you this one because this one is pending. Once it's cleared, it moves into this place, balance. From here, I can withdraw it straight into my Nigerian bank account or straight into my dollar account, and from there convert to Naira and withdraw into my Nigerian bank account. So on this account, I have a pending amount of $217. Now let me show you the commissions payments that have been processed in the past, how much I have earned. You can see that for yourself. Commission payment processed on February 1st, 2024 at about 11:30. That is 380 US dollars. You can see that 380 dollars. The status of this payment has now been changed to paid. Okay, so it may take about 5 days. Say please allow up to 5 business days for the funds to be added into your account if wire method was selected. Do you understand? So that's how it works. So you can see that $380 is another account, 221,457.90 naira is another account, paid September 25th, 2023. This is another account, 113,957.00, paid February 21st, 2024. This is another account, 6,886.44 naira, paid on December 19th. And then this is another account, 57,243.05, paid November 2020. So these are money I have earned. So once your money is paid, just like you are seeing it here, once it is paid transferred into my dollar account to my Naira account, they will send me Impact will send me an email to tell me that so and so amount of money has been transferred out of my account into either my dollar account, as the case is right here, or my Naira account, as the case is right here. So if you want something like this, you are interested, there's not too much to it. I have a training that will take you by the hand and walk you through how I got these results. Impact is a platform where you help companies in the US, in UK, in Canada, in France, and in some other parts of the world to market their products. What I concentrated on is what is called the pay-per-lead brands. Pay-per-lead brands. Pay-per-lead is simple. Get somebody to put in their name, their full names, their phone number, their email address, their zip code, and you are paid a certain amount of money. Maybe $5, maybe $1, maybe $2, maybe $10, $50, $100, $20, as the case may be, depending on what the brand is paying. So you can work for as many brands as you want. So far, there are about 5,000 plus brands on Impact. Okay, 5,000 plus brands. So you can apply following my procedures, to Impact, apply, following my procedures to brands, get accepted, and work for them. I'll show you how I get my traffic, where I get my traffic from, how I promote the brands that I promote, and how I make the money. You will have to be on the waiting list. I don't just release my trainings anyhow. I have to make sure the person I'm releasing it to will utilize it. So it is not just about giving you trainings. It is about making sure that you can utilize the training for yourself. So if you are interested, if you are not in Nigeria but you are interested, I have a link where international buyers can get this product from me. Let me know in the comment section or chat me up in the phone number I will put in the video description, and then we'll take it from there. So far, $217 waiting for me. Yeah, you can see that $217. Okay, that's the companies that paid me the money. These are the companies. Okay, I will show you how to get brands, how to know brands that will pay you money. Okay, so $217 already paid, $380, 221,457.90 naira, 113,957.00 naira, 6,867.44 naira, and 57,243.05 naira. So if you are interested, chat me up or make a comment in the comment section, and I will tell you how to get this step-by-step video from me on how to make money on Impact. Thank you for watching. Please share this video with your friends you think may know this, family members, church members, religious members you think may need this. You know, as the day goes by, you get to find out that you need extra sources of income. And so if you're interested, let me know in the comment section or chat me up immediately on how to get this training video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.